Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I hope you liked my last one. And today I'm back with another cooking-ish video because I saw this video of cheesy potato bread. I knew I just had to do it. I knew I had to try it. It looked so good, especially because my house does not have an oven, so I always struggle to find these baking recipes that do not require one. And this cheese potato bread, it seemed easy to make, but let's see if I can actually make it. So try it. Hopefully I don't fail. Also, I'm having my afternoon cup of coffee right now because your girl just finished lunch and kind of have a food coma, so I need this coffee to get me going, to stay awake, or else I'll be napping right now. Alright, let's go. Alright, I have my hairs up and of course my coffee. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, flour. The recipe says 90 grams of bread flour, but this one is only 85, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more and just eyeball it. This famous last word, just eyeball it. Yep. Put too much. Oops. So here. So I spilled in this much extra, so I will put it back. 90 grams of bread flour, melted butter. Okay. So it's 55 milliliter of milk. So this is what we have so far, and we need to mix it well. Alright, let's mix it. Look, it's forming. I think I failed. I failed. Alright, this is take 2 because I messed up the first time. So I measure it out first before using the scoop to make it more accurate. So 90 grams of bread flour, 55 milliliters of milk, 10 grams of melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Supposed to form a lump. Okay. Now we knead it for 5 minutes. So. How do people make bread? It's so tiring. Oh my god. My arms are really tired. Look, it's a ball. It's not focusing. Focus. Focus. It's a ball. So I will put it in this bowl and let it sit in the fridge for an hour. Okay, let's put it in the fridge. Alright, while that is sitting in the fridge for an hour, I'm gonna take this time to do some work. We'll see you in an hour. My favorite snack of all time. And I'm gonna munch on it while I do some work and wait for the dough to, I don't know what it's doing. Set? Something like that? I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So, and who else eats their chips with a chopstick? It can't only be me, right? No, I don't want to get my fingers dirty, so why don't I just use chopsticks? It's so easy. Alright, so there is 14 minutes left to go before we take the dough out, so I'm gonna make the potato filling. So it's been sitting in there for an hour. It's very cute. I've already wiped the area here. So what we're gonna do now, since I don't have a pin roller, just gonna use my bottle, but trust me, I have already washed it and cleaned it and sanitized it. So it's supposed to roll out into a circle. So I have this cheese, gonna put it all over, and then we'll add the potato. No, there's a hole. Oh, I didn't pinch it properly. No, I'm creating more holes. How do you fix holes? Ta-da! Oh, look at that. Alright, so this, that could have gone real bad. This is the finished product. Can you see the cheese? Can you see the cheese? Is it too bright? Can you see it? Oh my god. Okay, enough in case I drop it again. Let's do a taste test. Oh, okay. that I burnt it. It's still so good. Mmm. Mmm. Try to get a cheese pull, but. Ooh. Mmm. You know what might be better? Some hot sauce. Mmm. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Mmm. Mm. So good. Wow. I am going to go devour this, even though it's so bad for me. And thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.